Great afternoon, everyone. Well, I want to welcome you to our groundbreaking ceremony here for our new facility for our company, Inventive Group. You know, today is a special day for a lot of us, not just for me and my family, but for all of you that have been a part of this thing for a long time. I just want to say thank you to everyone that showed up today, all of you that are here supporting us. There's a lot of you out there. So with all that being said, I want to introduce my dad, Chuck Ciccarelli, to come say a few words.
Wow, what a great day to be here in Mountain Home and to be in Idaho. And I'd like to just kind of take a moment and kind of just take it all in, huh? This has been a long, long journey. When me and my wife, Lori, moved here from Bruno, we started a small towing company called Valley Towing, and that was in 1995. We couldn't afford a building, we had nothing. My wife ran the Arctic Circle restaurant down here where the Jack in the Box is. My drivers would sit in the booth in the restaurant, and that was our business. So my wife would be dispatching tow trucks while she's flipping burgers. Remember all that? Seems like it was a long time ago. Here we are 24 years later, and we're ready to take on the next dream. And that dream is that we can build a company that continues to compete on a worldwide scale. It's our true north that we can continue to build our company based on respect for people and the belief that if we do the right thing, the money will follow. We've proven that time and time again. It's interesting how some people view small business owners. Many that judge us have never mortgaged their home to make payroll. Many have never missed their son's birthday or their wedding anniversary. Because they had to tow a car to Elko in the middle of a snowstorm to get their customer home safe. You know, building a company is damn hard work, and it requires dedication that's as committed as marriage. But it's very rewarding when you know you have people that have your back and they're supporting you. We could not have done this without the support of my family, the city, the state, and the people who work here. You are clearly my inspiration and my family's inspiration to keep going. When I look around our community and look at the people and visit the Toyota philosophy, we know we're doing the right decision, and we're ready to do it with earnest. Sir Isaac Newton once said, "If I've ever been able to see further than others, it's because I've stood on the shoulders of giants." And many of you out here have been my giant, and I really want to thank you for that. Let's build something great. And to commemorate it, here we go. Oh no! Governor, I asked his permission and said, let her fly.
Well, Chuck, Lori, Ben, and Alex, congratulations. Lean manufacturing, Six Sigma, and I've seen it. I mean, one of the best parts of this job is going around and going to companies all over, but I've never seen it like I've seen it in those buildings over there. You've really locked onto something, and that's the fact that the people that will really put their heart and soul and the hard work into these efforts are people that want to enjoy the great outdoors, that want to spend their weekends hunting and fishing and being outdoors, and they want to raise their families in Mountain Home, Idaho. But it only happens if people like you and great companies like this do that, because you're doing what I want to see happen. That's higher incomes, better opportunity, higher level of skills, being on the cutting edge of whatever the American or the world consumer wants, and you're doing it right here at this great company. Congratulations, and it's a great honor to be here.
All right, well, thank you for that. Now let's dig up some dirt.